welcome back to the Positivity Press. Today we're going to be making connection concertinas, which is a really nice project that you can get your whole family involved with, even if you can't see them in the flesh right now. To make your concertina book, you want to cut all your sheets to the same size, and then you need to measure tabs onto your sheet of paper. So I measured about an inch from the edge of the paper, and then I folded along that line to create a tab, and then I glued along that tab and then attached the next piece of paper, folded the next tab to the left of that, glued that, added the next piece of paper, folded the tab to the left of that, glued that, added the next piece of paper, and kept adding and adding and adding until I was happy with it. I did 7 pages on my concertina because 7 is my lucky number, but you can do as many as you want. And the really nice thing about concertina fold, doing it like this, is that you can keep adding paper to the project. And then with the cover piece, you'll find that it overlaps by the width of your tab, so you need to trim the width of your tab from the cover piece of your paper. So in my case, it was the inch that I'd left for the tab, and I trimmed that off so that all of the paper sits flat on top of each other and is the same size. I'm going to paint on some blobs of colour to the pages in my concertina before I stick the photographs in. The next step is to decide on something for your family members to pass on. So it could be something as simple and as sweet as a heart or a message of positivity, maybe some fruit, or a rainbow, cup of tea perhaps, or something more personal. I've decided that we're going to pass along a dragonfly, because the dragonfly is a symbol of connection and contact in my print series, The Dragonfly Diaries. So the idea is simple. You need to ask your family members to take 2 pictures each. The first one of them receiving the object that you've chosen from one side of the frame, and the second one of them passing it on, so in the opposite direction. Then trim that down and print them out. I've got some pictures here that I've printed out of family members passing the dragonfly on. So you can print them in colour or in black and white, whatever size you want, just make sure that it fits onto the pages of your concertina. So now I'm going to cut these up and stick them in. And that's my constructed concertina of connection. And you can see how it unfolds. So mine's got 7 panels, but I've got a big family and I'm still waiting for some of them to get back to me with the pictures. So the nice thing about this is you can just keep adding onto it. So I've got pieces cut already, so I'll just create a tab and then add on to that, and I can make it as long as I want, and I can flick through it like this, which is great, but you can also open it out and stick it on your windows, on your walls, so you can see everybody at once. So I hope you have fun making your concertinas of connection, and I really hope that you've had fun taking part in the Positivity Press project, and I can't wait to see what you create. See you soon!